Hi everyone, I'm Hitesh Tavarmani, a counseling psychologist and a mental health expert. Today I want your attention to something which has been going on over a decade now, which is quietly heartbreaking: the teenage mental health crisis. More teenagers are reporting feelings of anxiety, stress, despair, and loneliness. And this has been a surge all across the globe. 14% of those that are diagnosed have been reported with either an anxiety disorder or a depressive disorder. And imagine those that have gone underdiagnosed or have not been through a diagnosis or have been underreported. Imagine them struggling silently, scrolling, and suffering. Teenage is a time, let me remind you, a time of curiosity, exploration, and optimism. But more teens are now reporting feelings of hopelessness, anxiety, and despair. Researchers say that there is a powerful link between depression and loneliness. The more teenagers report feelings of loneliness, are more likely to develop either a depressive disorder or an anxiety disorder later on in life. Between 2012 and 2018, the feelings of loneliness that have been reported have surged by 20%, making this generation of adolescents the loneliest in the last 2.5 decades. And India isn't far behind. The digital wave has taken over all of us, has replaced human connection with notification, and has blurred boundaries. And what is the solution for this? One of it is that it takes an entire village to bring up a child, as the African proverb goes. And India has had a long, rich heritage of collective care, where a child is brought up not single handedly by just the parents, but by the uncles, the aunts, the grandparents, relatives, extended family. They play a huge part in bringing up the child and restoring mental health. And that entire web of belonging is probably the biggest mental health intervention we need to bring back into society.